friends, this week we're talking about plants, and one of my favorite plants is an orchid. An orchid is a really pretty plant. Sometimes it has flowers and then the flowers die, but the leaves still live and it grows more flowers. Right now this orchid is growing flowers. So we are going to label the parts of our orchid. And I'm going to start up here with the flower. This says flower. Right now this orchid has 1, 2, 3 flowers on it. The next part we're going to label is called a bud. And a bud is a flower that hasn't bloomed yet. And this plant has quite a few buds on it. So we're going to label this one the bud. The next part we're going to label on our orchid is the stem. And this orchid has 2 stems right now. This says stem. Stem. The next part we're going to label are the leaves. This orchid has some really big, beautiful green leaves, and they're very strong. This says leaves. The next part of the orchid we're going to label is called the air roots. Now, not all plants have air roots. That's something that's pretty unique to orchids. They're these right here, and they're roots that grow above the soil. So that is my air root. And we've talked about how plants need soil to grow. Well, orchids are a little bit different. They don't like soil, they like bark. So we're labeling the bark inside our plant because that's the medium that orchids like to grow in. Now, the orchid also has roots that grow below the bark, but we can't see those. So I'm going to put roots right there, and that just shows that the roots are down there. So this is our orchid all labeled. I hope you guys can find some plants in your house and find the parts of those plants. Have a great day, guys.